y'all. Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 69. Look, have I got the recipe for you today, y'all? Yeah, spinach. Play with it, right? I had in my refrigerator some leftover mushrooms, some onions, and some garlic. Just chopped up a few, right? I'm gonna saute it with a little olive oil, some oregano, yes, a little more salt, and of course some of our sneevies. Love that barbecue spice. We use it on everything. And some wine. Pour a little wine over on it. Let me show you. So yeah, look. Get that skillet going on. Pour you about a tablespoon of olive oil over on there. I'm gonna put those garlics in first. Them onions. I'm just gonna put all over in there, right? All at one time. Yep. Put me a little oregano. Ooh, I might need a little more oil, huh? Okay, let's put a little more oil over in there. Just a little more. Stir it around. What else? I just said put a little more salt over on those spinach. On the, the mushrooms and the onions and the garlic. I just like one stop, put everything over on there. Yeah, put it all over on there. One bag of doggone spinach. Cut the heat down a little bit because you hear it frying. Now you know we need to put some liquor in here, right? Yeah. That's gonna be good. And some of our sneevies love that barbecue spice, right? That's all you need. And while you hear it sizzling, get you a drink. Yes. Stir it around a little bit. It's gonna make a delicious side. Or you can just eat it all by itself. You know, we need more vegetables in our diet. Everything don't need meat. And the mushrooms has such a meaty flavor. That's all you need. Saute them till they get nice and soft. So look, see how that turned out? Don't that look yummy, y'all? Ooh, yes, with those mushrooms. Yes, this is how I'm going to eat mine. I sliced up a boiled egg and I put a little crumbled basil and tomato feta cheese on top. Ooh, baby, just delicious. And you know, it's delicious with some cooked champagne, y'all. You can't forget about the liquor. If you would like any of our products, go to sunmoonproducts.com and pick up you some Sneevy's Love That Barbecue Spice that you can sprinkle on everything. Oh, It's all the shake you need. Play with your recipes. Enjoy your eating and your drinking.